FCE Tip 21, Prefixes and Suffixes. A prefix is a set of letters which is added to the start of a word, thus creating a new word with a different meaning. The same goes for a suffix, but for a suffix, the letters come at the end of the word.
1. Suffixes. Suffixes are most likely to change the class of the word. For example, to change a verb to a noun or a noun to an adjective. For verb to noun suffixes, we add tion, age, ment, tion, ence, ance, iri, ori, at the end of the verb, to change it to the noun, which is the action or result of this verb, i.e. rampage, segment, immersion, entrance, explosion, migration, etc. We add ant, or ent, to the verb to create the noun which describes the person doing this verb, i.e. advisor, controller, maker, washer, etc. We add ship, et, ness, or sea, to express a state of being, i.e. happiness, friendship, cleverness. For noun to adjective suffixes we have ent, I've, us, full, less and able, i.e. edible, reversible, youthful, delightful, fearless, useless, sleepless, corrosive, likable, manageable, etc. For adjective to adverb suffixes, we add li, i.e. slowly, repeatedly, etc. 2. Prefixes. Prefixes have the ability to change the meaning of a word in a significant way. The most common prefixes in English are re, dis, over, un, miss, and out. Re is used for repetition, i.e. resit an exam, rewrite, reappear, redo, etc. To disconnect, to disobey, dishonest, disobedient, a dislike, etc. Over means to do something too much, to oversleep, etc. Un is used to express the opposite, i.e. to unload a truck, unable, unfamiliar, unkind, unreal, etc. Pre means before, i.e. prepaid, to pre-book, a preview, etc. In and im are used to express the opposite, i.e. inactive, incorrect, incomplete, impossible, impolite, impure, etc.